Så, då var vi klara. Det är ganska skön den här tampen faktiskt. Den ena långa jag har, den är så luddig, allting fastnar på den. Den här är bara släta.
There are a couple of days with heavy wind coming up, and we're going to pick up some crew. We decided to go down to the area around Långvikskär. I believe the name of the island is Lilla Fällsingskobben. We start outside Sandhamn. We're passing Bullerön and Hallskär. In the left of the picture you can see Andreas anchor shining. It's so shallow, so immediately when I got the anchor up, I want to go forward a bit. Oh, there is a boat in the spot I was aiming for. So we're going to look for something else. And it's a really tight spot. You're not going to fit several boats there. This was my second spot, and it's 3 boats there. Maybe you can get more boats in, but I think I'm going to look for something else. This spot is not going to get the wind protection we need. This is the first spot again, and I think they're getting ready to leave. I'm so cold. Yeah, my heart is sinking like a storm. I have to go in this really shallow area here if we're going to fit Andreas' boat too. It looks like we can make it. Let's put the anchor in. Or should I say through the anchor. The wide-angle camera doesn't show how close you are to the objects. I don't want to be too close to the rock behind me. If I have some problems with the anchor or the wind is shifting or something, I have to have some room to maneuver the boat tomorrow or in the middle of the night.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.